Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
A put command can be used to stage local files from which Snowflake interface. I will give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer is SnowSQL. SnowSQL, or sometimes also known as SnowCLI, is the command line interface that Snowflake provides for us to be able to interact with Snowflake. There are some commands in Snowflake which we cannot use inside of SnowSite, and the get and the put command is one of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to have a demo to try and check if we can use the put command inside of SnowSite. And again, the second part of the demo, we will try to use the put command inside of SnowSQL and see if that will work. So I'll start off by using the target database. I'm going to create an internal stage. I'm going to list the files in the internal stage. Since I just created the stage, there are going to be no files in it. The next step, I run the put command. In the put command, I'm trying to put a file called Netflix underscore titles into the internal stage that we just created. We get an error message, as we should, which says that it is an unsupported feature. So let's do the next best thing that we can do, which is let's go to SnowSQL to try and run the put command. So I'm going to copy this and apply this inside of snowcli/snowsql. And there you go. We have a success and we got status as uploaded. So we were able to use the put command inside of SnowSQL to be able to upload the files to wherever we wanted to do, which in this case is the internal stage. We were not able to do so inside of SnowSite, and hence the right answer here is SnowSQL. With that, we conclude this video.